Man kami babalik Iloilo. So bukas, sige, balik kami bukas. I'm not sure yet. Syempre, we're busy. Ilang days, weeks na lang before the concert, and we're focused on that. And hindi pa namin alam kailan kami makaka-out of town. So, abang-abang na lang kayo. Malay mo, biglaan sa Iloilo na kami next week. Kung magka-cosplay ako, sinong character ang gagayahin ko? Si Virgil from Devil May Cry. Kasi pares kami buhok ngayon. Yes, sir! Sabi ni Cloud, nakapunta na ba kayo before sa Davao? Yes! We've been to Davao City before. Yeah, we've been. Sana pag nakabalik kami sa Davao, nandun ka. Magpapalit ka na ng hair sa concert. Yes, sa concert magpapa-transparent hair color ako. Nag-dinner. Sino ba ito nagpapa-shoutout na to? Loko ka. Bad yan, uy, bad. Ginagawa ko kayong motivation kaya na honor. Honor student ka, Liv. Congratulations. Ready na mag-fly from Davao si Shang. Okay. See you October 4. Guys, if wala pa kayong ticket, there's still time. There's still like 2 weeks. 2 weeks and a half. Or 3 weeks before our concert. Just go to ticketnet.com.ph. Pindutin nyo dun yung BGYO concert. Buy your tickets na so hindi kayo maunahan ng seats. And see you there at the concert. Daming exciting na mangyayari sa concert. Meron kaming guest sa concert, guys. Aabangan nyo ang guest namin sa concert. Boy group din sila, boy group. May boy group na magpe-perform sa concert namin, guest. Sila yung sobrang galing nila, as in singing, dancing, all that. Pero wala pa silang song. Yes. Clue starts with letter A. That's the clue. Next letter is letter M. And then the next letter is letter B. Ang galing nyo naman manghula. Yes, ang Ambon po ay magpe-perform sa concert namin. Mag-release sila ng debut single nila. It's gonna be exciting kasi sila yung mga idol namin dati pa. Sila yung mga iniidola namin. Tsaka nila namin nakuha yung paano sumayaw, paano kumanta, ganon. Abangan yan. Si Coach Jerwin, may sing and dance solo prod pa yan. After mag-perform ng Ambon, may solo prod si Jerwin Nicomedes. Kita-kita tayo sa concert, guys. Aabangan nyo yun. Isang aabangan nyo yun, Ambon. Yes, share the live, Tamasi. My Kira. Share the live daw. Yes, share this live para mas dumami pa tayo. And you know, the more the merrier. Napanood nyo na ba yung live performance ng Headlines? Hey, I want you to stay. Kung di pa napapanood, meron ng Headlines performance video, and of course, ang dance practice ng Headlines ay lumabas na. Konya Sayas, thank you. Juana, thank you. Ako, Celine, thank you. Thank you for sending rose. Nakakalimutan ko lagi. May nag-send pala. Crispy Pata. Juana, thank you again for the rose. Ang daming sinesend ni Crispy Pata. Ako, Celine, thank you. Ako, Celine. Levi the Hokage. Konya Sayas. Lex Yuno. Mga OG. Madaming mga OG dito. Ako, Celine, Konya Sayas. Ezekiel, the concert is gonna be on October 4. So if you're free, come join us. You can get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Yes, sir. See you at the concert. Buena, thank you. Teen, I am .pretty. Thank you. Levi the Hokage. Thank you. Aya Atlani, thank you. Oh yeah, we will be at the Wish Bus tomorrow at Centris, Eton Centris, 6 p.m. See you there if you have time. Buena, Konya Sayas, thank you. Excited na sa new EP niyo. Excited na din ako sa new songs. One of my favorite songs ay part ng EP. So, excited! Damn! Thank you. Thank you.
I seen him wild and I smile. I seen him better life. I hope you
Uuwi ba ako for the concert? What do you mean uuwi? Where are you ba right now? Are you outside the country? Uuwi ka sa Philippines, you mean? Tara na, nood ka na concert. Let's go. October 4, ticketnet.com.ph. You can get your tickets there. Sandurain, thank you. Sengoku. Give up. Babe. I told you to leave. I told you to leave. Babe. Will you go back to black hair? You know, I was checking my old photos. Sabi ko, nakamiss yung black hair ko. Pero, I don't think I'll be going back to black hair anytime soon. My scalp is dying, pero, you know, I like the white hair. I like the platinum hair. My hair is platinum, but then nagpa-fade yung kulay niya. That's why it looks like, nagba-blonde, light blonde, whatever siya. As you can see, after a couple of days now, nag-fade yung color. I don't know why. I'm using purple shampoo naman and all that. Yeah. Tito Corner, thank you. Mickey, bleaching is the worst actually. I'm good with bleaching. So much of my time. Takes so much of my time. Please. I had that hairstyle before. Check mo. I had super long hair before, like super, yeah. Hello, Ja. Nanonood ka na ba ng Demon Slayer? Yes! Last night, napanood ko na yung Demon Slayer finally kasi nasa Thailand ata kami nun when the movie was released. I didn't have time in Bangkok to watch Demon Slayer, so sakto, buti na lang I checked the malls kung may Demon Slayer pa. Buti meron pa and I was able to watch with my best friend. So, yeah. Time. Tracy. Tracy. Thank you, Casey, for the rose. Right. Pinapatanong ni Nate kung ano mga binili mo sa England. Oh, wala. Ano mga binili ko sa England? I bought 2 bags. So sweet, and you're looking at me. I bought 2 bags sa Birmingham. There was this store. Sobrang daming good fashion stuff. Nakabili ako dun ng 2 bag. What else did I buy sa you sa Birmingham? I think that's it. Behold it. So I'ma hold you, baby. Mwah. Yes, sir. Mickey Boy, thank you. Christine, thank you. Sian Uy, thank you. You love my earrings? Me too, I love my earrings. This is from Bangkok. It's hard siya. Pimple ako. Bam! 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 On and on and on and on and on. When you're looking at me, eye candy, and a little bit longer. Candy, sweet, when you're looking at me. Ang title ng song, this one is Eye Candy from Swag 2, Justin Bieber. JB! Kamusta naman yung na-meet namin si Noel? Yes, Noel. First time we met Noel was in Dream Warrior concert with Boss. We saw Noel there and we got to chit-chat and all that. The second time we met was in Cubao. Yeah. We had dinner with Boss and Noel. Tapos pagland talaga nila, like gutom na gutom sila. And you know, pinakain namin sa kanila sisig, Filipino food, you know what I'm saying? Tapos nagustuhan nila yung sisig. Shout out Noel and Boss, we miss you guys. Yeah, we met Noel pala sa Summer Sonic S2. We watched him perform before he left. Busy guy, sobrang busy. Boss and Noel, busy guy. And we were with Boss naman watching the main stage after our performance. Sino dito fans? Sino dito fans ni Boss and Noel? Speed race, keep checking these chickens, yeah. And I go speed racing for the record, yeah. Brain is getting better by the second. Boss Noel Siligaya. I keep creeping, speeding, yeah. Speeding, Who's your bias of Blackpink? Jennie. Like Jennie. Time. What's their song? Hands Up Gabriella, right? Hands Up Gabriella. Tama ba lyrics? Hands off. Oh my god. Damn. Hands up Gabriella pala. Hands off Gabriella. Not hands up. My bad. I'm sorry. Rain is getting better by the second. Oh yeah. Rising. I keep creeping. Yeah. Miles. Time is. Speed race.
Which league? Chinese Super.
Yeah. I keep creeping. Speeding, yeah. Speeding, yeah. Speeding, yeah. Speeding, yeah. My sister loves you the most though. I love you too, but not like she does. Hi, Shy. Shout out to your sister. Yes, tama si Lily France. If you are new to my live, we have a BGYO concert on October 4. You can get your tickets now sa ticketnet.com.ph. So this is our first ever concert. I'm a member of BGYO, hindi kayo familiar. So come join us. We will be having our first ever concert. So October 4, New Frontier Theater. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph.
Never loved you more than I do right now. All these fears just wash
Hey, my baby.
It's like complicated. Feel this won't fade away.
I do. I say that I do.
Nobody gets to
Touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. I do. When I say that I do. Nobody can touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. The one that I choose.
just wanna say there's something's going down. Yeah, it's communicated now. We can make it okay.
Kain lang daw si Joanne. Laing ang ulam niya. Give me some. I need that laing. Crave tuloy ako ng laing.
Hurry up, get over here, don't make me wait. All these fears just wash up.
Hey, my baby.
It's like complicated. Which feel this won't fade away.
Bili na. Order nga ako ng laing.
I do.
when I say that I do. To touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. I do. Say that I do. Sengoku, thank you for the rose. I do. You'll always be the one that I choose. Ako, Celine, Brian, thank you. Napanood nyo na ba yung performance namin sa ASAP, guys? ASAP UK. Daming legends na pumunta sa nakasama namin sa ASAP UK. It's an honor. It's an honor to share the stage. All these ladies, yep. All these ladies. And also, guys, if you're gonna stream all these ladies, make sure to also stream all these ladies Spotify playlist. Let me double check what playlist it is. Tatak Pinoy, I think it's Tatak Pinoy playlist. Let me check. Double checking, fact check. It's important to fact check. I don't want to spread fake news, okay? Tatak Pinoy. What else? Yes, Tatak Pinoy, OPM Rising playlist, Viral Hits Philippines. Shout out Spotify. Shout out Aces. Pwede nyo stream dun yung aming single na All These Ladies para, you know, we get higher and all that. So yeah, if you're gonna stream All These Ladies, make sure to stream it also sa Viral Hits Philippines, Tatak Pinoy, Connie Asayas, and many more playlists. Just check BGYO kung ano mga playlist pa. But the biggest one is Viral Hits and Tatak Pinoy. True, Hermie, you're right. Hello, Y8518152. Thank you at nakaabot ka sa aking live. Tama, no to fake news. Right? Use your head, man. Come on. Gotta fact check. Kumain ka na? No, I haven't eaten dinner. I just got home from rehearsal. Nag-rehearse kami kanina. You know, we're trying to prep for the concert. Super busy ako. I can't. I keep forgetting to eat, but yeah, I'm doing stuff off behind the scenes, so I keep forgetting. Remind me, guys, to eat. I always eat siguro mga 11 or 12. Galing din ng dance niya ng Soda Pop as if kayo yung original. Wow! Mas magaling pa rin original, you know. But yeah, thank you. But magandang gabi, PRXS. Am I open for acting? Yeah, I am open, but music is what I'm trying to focus on right now. Hopefully next time when I, you know, let's see. But yeah, music is what I am focused on. Baby, pwede mo akong tawagan anytime. Ooh! You know that song? "24/7. Nasa school si Ann Ferrer. May school ba ngayon? Thursday pala ngayon. Saan yung school mo? Shari, huwag ka na pumili between gumawa ng schoolworks or manood ng live ko. Gawin mo na lang both, right? When released, I don't think I'm gonna release that song. Let's see. Hello, Rika. Mindset. Thank you, Kwanya Sayas. Yvonne, thank you, Yvonne. Regional tour. Hopefully, makapag-ikot ulit kami dito sa Philippines. Siyempre, mas dumami ang aces around the Philippines. So, we want to meet you guys for the first time. When comeback sa Cotabato? Let's see. Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea. But, if I were you, grab your tickets now for our BGYO concert on October 4 at the New Frontier Theater. You can get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Good luck, Max, sa exam mo bukas. Ano exam mo bukas? Math ba yan? Kung math, ay nako, good luck na lang. I hate math, guys. Balik kayo this Mascara Festival. When ba ang Mascara Festival? Sana nga makapag-ikot-ikot pa kami. We still have 2 months. October.
Who's fucking me? Who's still riding my SUV? It's none of your beef. Calling my girls to check where I've been. If you needed to know, I drop a pin. Keep into yourself, really ain't
Yes, see you sa solo con and Ferrer. See you there. Pupunta friend ko sa concert nyo, balcony lang na kaya niya, sabi ni Chris. Shoutout sa friend mo who's going. See you at the concert. Birthday na daw ni Tracy sa 13. Malapit na. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Already forgiven. You don't have to go and get it. Take the power you've been given.
Hello Aces Honey. Ayun na, pinansin na kita kahit mali spelling mo ng moko.
Keeping you guessing. You don't know
Kilala ko na ba sino kumain ng laing ko?
what you said. This is for the people making the most trip. Find out nowhere, don't know where to run to.
Lahat sila kumain nun, sure ako.
We'll get through anything. Breaking all the rules. Finding what we made for you.
Hi Kyra. Huwag ka na magtampo, Kyra.
Ain't no other love like this. It's a reason you exist.
Hello Rare Bay. That's a rare nickname. Username, I mean. Hello Christine. Pakurot sa pisngi. Paano kita kukurutin? My thoughts on bleaching my brows same as my... No! See? No! Doesn't look good. Look! Ganyan yung itsura niya pag bleach ko yung eyebrows ko. No. Never gonna do that. Never. Pa-headlock, pagod lang. Favorite song ni JB? Right now, gotta be Speed Demon. Yeah. Pa-help sa assignment mo. Sige! Tulungan sa assignment mo. Huwag mo lang ako sisihin kung bagsak ka. Kung mali-mali yung tulong ko sa'yo. Follow back daw, sabi ni Arbino Chad Otsaya. Sige, follow back kita, boss. In my mind, I see. Thank you sa sisig. Ay, nagugutom na ako. Pa-help sa floor plan. Sige, gawin natin yan. Ngayon na. Give me your assignment. Give me. Love you. I don't like you when I feel so far from you. Yvonne, thank you, Yvonne. Yes, stream headlines. New song out now. BGYM headlines. And of course, stream our song All These Ladies on Spotify PH's Viral Hits Philippines playlist and Tatak Pinoy playlist. Sabi ni Christine, miss na kita sobra, uwi ka na. I'm home! I'm home though. Wala, may white lady sa comment section. Love you, yeah. Jam, parang wala pa kaming iniisip na concert there in Pangasinan. But you can go to our concert sa New Frontier Theater on October 4. So, you can get your tickets now. Makakabili kayo tickets sa ticketnet.com.ph. October 4, concert namin. Yes, sir! Cebu. Sa buhay mo. Sabi ni Connie Asayas, my kids are watching right now. Oh, you have kids? Hello to your kids, Connie Asayas. I wanna spend your simple. It's 2 steps. Sometimes it's 0 steps.
Girl, we better stop before we
First, I wash my face with water.
testing our patience.
I get my cleansing, a light cleansing cleanser, whatever you call it. Yeah. Do this. Wash with water. Get some moisturizer. Good. That's it. Plain. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just wash with water. Yes, guilty ako dun, but you know, gotta take. Yeah. And every time you don't say my name, I'm reminded of how loving you say. I know we have this moment to face. Birthday ko na tomorrow. Happy birthday! Malapit na. Ilang hours na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours to go. We can do. The song title is All These Ladies by BGYO. Joke lang. It's Walking Away by JB.
Girl, we better stop before we shoot some shit. We've been testing.
So, di po totoo yung tats nyo. Totoo yung tats ko. Akala nyo ba fake yung mga tattoo ko? Totoo to. Kino-concealer ko lang siya lagi. Para pag performance, doon ko tinatanggal yung concealer para makita yung mga tattoo ko. Seryoso ba? Akala nyo fake yung mga tattoo ko? Seryoso? Ba yan? Akala ko ba naman alam nyo? I ain't walking away. Don't say my name. Yvonne, thank you for the rose. Casey, yo, thank you for the rose. I know we have this. Good luck sa dance yung exam niyo tomorrow. Good luck on your dance. You can do it. Dance well. Don't be nervous. Dance your heart out. Knox. Quote that. Somebody quote that. Team, thank you. Gave you a ring. Made you a promise. I told you I'd change. Just human nature. These growing pains. Casey, yo, thank you again for the rose. Ang dami nag-send ng rose. Sun and blue. Thank you, Mai. What's up, Abby? Yeah, see you at the concert PRXS. Lilipad from Bacolod. Ay, Bacolod. We've been there thrice, I think. Solid.
How do we get back?
Shello Troy sent 50 rows. Wow. Thank you.
Mixed up in the first place. The windows opening. You can spread your wings in the
First place. Yeah. Bird cage pala.
go down again.
It's okay, Kyra.
Ain't that where we been?
Ay, paalam ko daw. Hello po, okay lang po ba manood si Kyra ng aming BGYO concert on October 4? You can get your tickets now on ticketnet.com.ph. It's gonna be fun. For sure your child is gonna have fun. And we'd be happy to see her that day. So, sana po payagan niyo po si Kyra. Ayan, send mo yun sa parents mo. Ngayon ako bang papaalam sa parents mo o sa jowa mo? Queen Style, thank you. KCO, thank you. Nagutom ako ah.
Where do I begin?
Watching from UK, sabi ni Queen Stalker. Saan ka sa UK? What part in UK kayo? UK kayo. Okay kayo, UK kayo. Watching from Egypt. Talaga ba? Egypt? Next to Birmingham. Oh, okay. Close.
When it's on site,
It's on site.
it's a celebration. Like it's your birthday. So amazing, I just wanna taste it. And celebrate in the best way.
Pricks palang basa. My bad, I'm sorry. Pricks. Okay, pricks. Do you know how to speak Bisaya? I'm sorry, I do not know how to speak Bisaya. I only know how to speak Tagalog and English. Mandarin, I completely forgot now how. Yeah.
The sun keeps shining.
When I close my eyes.
Butterfly, go away. No, yeah. Butterfly, seem to go away. Just a moment.
Sabi ni Aces Honey, gusto ko na kayo makita. Yes, kita tayo sa October 4 if you're free. BGYO concert, ticketnet.com.ph ang bilihan ng tickets. So, if you're free, see you there. What's my dinner? Dinner ko will probably be chicken. I'm gonna eat chicken. Balik na ako diet today. Kasi galing kami Bangkok, UK. Na-stop ko yung diet. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain sa Bangkok. Like, damn. Sobrang solid pagkain doon. So yeah, I ate a lot. Gained. So now I just got back to gym today. The other day pala. Went to the gym a while ago. Now I need some protein. So yeah, I don't want to eat chicken, pero I gotta eat chicken. I gotta do it. Hello, Sese. Madami rin Iloilo Aces manonood sa concert. Shoutout to the Iloilo Aces. See you at the concert. Thank you for flying. And yeah, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Kita-kits tayo. Iloilo Aces. Si Ate JD din ay lilipad. See you, Ate JD. Comeback na ba yung black hair bossing? Yes. Bukas, magpapablock na ako. Levy the Hokage just got the number 2 gifter badge. Yo, Levy. Thank you, Levy. Salute. Thank you, Levy. Colin says, thank you.
That's my baby. She's iconic. iPhone keys.
Lip gloss on it. In all my days.
She keeps on talking. It's comedy, just block it out.
My baby.
When sunlight turns to shadow.
And it gets hard to face. Like water to a flower, babe, and all you need the rain.
Nothing needs
To work out and nothing needs to break.
don't need to pretend
That you're okay.
to cry on my shoulder. Just
Loving me.
whenever you need.
Saan ka bumili ng t-shirt mo? I bought it at Niek. Yes, I got this at Niek.
So cry on my shoulder. That long melody. Cry on my shoulder.
Sabi ni E, lagi niyang pinapatugtog ang headlines para... Grabe ka naman, E. Thank you so much for streaming headlines. And I'm glad na na-enjoy mo ang headlines. And kayo guys, if mag-stream kayo ng headlines, meron din mga playlist na you can stream headlines. So check BGYO's post kung anong playlist included ang headlines. And of course, most importantly, all these ladies part po siya ng Spotify PH Viral Hits Philippines playlist. So if you're gonna listen to all these ladies, pwede nyo pakinggan sa playlist na yun. And also, Tatak Pinoy playlist. So yeah.
Sunlight turns to shadow.
And it gets hard to face.
Like water.
To a flower, babe, and all you need the rain.
Nothing needs to work out.
And nothing needs to break.
Don't need to pretend
That you're okay.
to cry on my shoulder.
Just turn it to me.
Cry on my
Shoulder.
whenever you need.
Sinigang. Lexuno sent sinigang. Sinigang. Tatakam tuloy ako. Laing sinigang ang crave ko ngayon. But, I gotta eat chicken. I need the protein. Sad. Do you like ramen? Not that much. Yeah. Not really. Go, baby, go. Bias ka ng mga students. Shoutout sa students mo, Ate JD. Sana makapasa sila. Dahil ako yung bias niya. Papasayan pala. Papasayan for sure. With honors. The honored ones. If you could only use emojis to talk for a whole day, which 3 emojis would I use? Wala. Because I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I want silence. Batubalani said fried chicken. Okay, I like your name. I like your name. How old am I? Guess my age. Guess my age. Guess my age. Guess. Guess yung age ko. I just turned 18 this year, so yeah, I just turned 18. If you guys are wondering what my age is, I just turned 18. Sino youngest sa BGYO? I am. I'm the youngest. I'm 17 years old. No. 16 actually. I'm 16 years old. I'm the youngest from BGYO. Yeah. dami namang haters dito sa comment section. I just told you guys, I'm 15. Okay? Stop the hate. I'm 15. Hala, naglag. Ayaw nyo kasi maniwala, I'm 14. Come on. Di na kayo naniniwala sa akin. And it's all I can take. 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 Pero yeah, I lied. I'm not 15. I am 23. Damn! 23! So fast! So bilis. 23. Not young anymore. Who the hell is that? Wait, let me check. No, I'm not Mickey Gomez. You got the wrong person, bro. I'm sorry. But welcome to my life. Do you know what guapo means? I don't know. Nasi-CR na ako. That's my baby. She's iconic. That's my baby. Yun, Lex, yun, thank you sa sisig. Nagugutom na ako. Ay, yo! Yo! Yo, bro. Nagkaon ka na, love? Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat now. I gotta eat, guys. I'm hungry. So yeah, quick live lang today. Sa mga bagong pasok, sa mga viewers ngayon, if you don't know yet, my name is Mickey. I'm from BGYO. I'm a member of a Filipino boy group. And we will be having a concert on October 4. New Frontier Theater. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. It's gonna be fun. So if I were you, bil na kayo ticket. Let's have fun together. Mga bagong pasok, ako nga po pala si BGYO Mickey. Part ako ng BGYO. Meron po kaming concert sa October 4 sa New Frontier Theater. Tapos makakabili na kayo ng ticket sa ticketnet.com.ph. Yes, sir. Kita-kits tayo doon. Gutom na ako. I'm gonna eat. I hope you had fun sa short kwentuhan na to. Hangout and all that. Whatever you wanna call it. But I am extremely grateful sa inyo for joining my live stream and nakapagkwentuhan tayo. gagawa ng schoolwork yung iba. Tama. Sa mga Friday tomorrow, may pasok tayo. May class yung iba, may work bukas. So, yeah. Let's eat. Let's rest. Still have a lot to do. See you at the concert! Kita-kits tayo sa concert, October 4. Ticketnet.com.ph. Kaya makakabili ng ticket. See you there, mga bossing. Thank you for joining my live stream. Bye-bye.
If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride. Cause you wanna spend the night.
Bye-bye! 어떻게 화면이 또 저 상태로 멈췄어?
이러고 아
아쉽다.